A shootout between Nkosi and Amandla ends up in dead bodies. Shoge only survived because Amandla ran out of bullets. Manduli is still traumatized and Glenda is still in disbelief. And they call the police even though Amandla warned them not to do so. Lihasa heads to Teflop to save Umantuli. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skeem Sam. So Ushoga walked right into the Chepga Amandla to save Umantulu, not Glenda, no Lizzie, because he couldn't let Amandla kill them because of his sins. Now, Amandla wanted to know why exactly did you call yourself Usbuso Pavarotukulu if you're not him? Ati, he wanted a fresh start, and yes, he was with Usbuso in prison and knew what they spoke about what he was doing they before he got arrested, that he was a teacher and all that. But he didn't get into details of what he was arrested for. So akazi ngempela ukuthi what he was arrested for, but only stole his identity because he wanted a fresh start after leaving Johannesburg prison. He says this looking Mantuli, not Glenda, because he knows they're going to be so disappointed. He apologized to them saying, Ntombendala, Tase, Naumalanga, I'm so sorry for all the pain or the harm that I've caused any of you. Avela mqumbe ngesibhakele Amandla athi this is for putting innocent lives at risk. Awele kuTlenda. UTlenda didn't waste time. Ampushela kwa now, this guy phones the people. I think the people that sent him, because I think this guy is a hitman. Ati, this man is not Susiso, ibari nje identity yakhe. But he decides ukuthi, you know what, ngihamba nayo. Apologize to Mantuli ukuthi, I'm sorry you had to see this side of me, but please don't tell the police or describe me. Don't call the police, don't describe how I look like, because I don't want to have to come back here and deal with you guys. And then Utuspuso must go, Ushonga must go with him. He apologized again and he dragged him out. Ungihlekise said to mama ka-hostage uLizzy phela ukuthi mama ka-hostage awudle lapho, eat your food. Yo ngana Lizzy nawu ki-hostage libitsela hi. And then he dragged uShongwe outside. Yo bangasakhali, relief, shock, trauma, everything. He dragged uShongwe outside. He wants to go with Ushongwe, wanting to put him in the boot. Ushongwe's please saying, yeah, that's mean. I can give you more money. What are they offering you? I'm a teacher. I can double it, whatever they're giving you. Bese senjalo bebhizi bephikisana ngaphandle. Amandla wants him to go inside a car. Now Amandla sees a black BMW car approaching. He tells Spuso not to look at the car and hide. But Spuso looked at the car. Kanti that car, Nkosi. Shongwe saw good. No man, I think that's someone he knows. And then this Llewellyn guy, security Nkosi, told Nkosi, that's your cousin, now umzala wako. And then they baprika fast, baprika. This guy saw good. Yo, these people are coming for us. Opened the car, Spuso got inside, and then they drove off. Manje basa driver off. Umantuli is there now starting to get relieved, but then they worried ukuthi uSibusiso kwenzakalani ngaye, what's going to happen to him, because this guy uhambe naye, what if he kills him, what's going to happen? Bangena emotweni bashaya imoto bahambe. Uma bahamba uNkosi now uNkosi manje is driving after them. Now they start shooting They start shooting. Omantuli bazwa gunshots. Now they're thinking, oh my word, Amandla is killing Sibusiso. So now they're thinking, oh my god, it means Spuso is dead. Kanti Nkosi is now there's a shootout between Nkosi. Now this guy, now they follow him. Now they hear the quietness. Okay, it means they're gone. They come out because they had gone to hide in the other rooms. Now Glenda is worried. Hey, Spusi, so what if he's lying out there? Maybe he needs a doctor. Lizzy, you can help him. Mantula said, no, police is not going anywhere. Now Hana Lizzy, what if the Inkabile is still there? The next thing, they were scared when Kwaito and Tibos walked in because they thought Huri, the hitman, is back. They tried to run away only to see Huri, but what's going on? Like we've been through the most. Shem, the way Lizzy went to Kwaito and melted in his arms because like she feared for her baby's life. Now Mantuli wants to know Huri, you Elina, is he dead on my gate? What's happening? But there's nothing out there, man. And then they say, they saw some cars racing. It's like the other car was running after the other one. Mantula then explains, well, hey, this whole time I've been living with an ex-convict. Muto even stole identity ya Muto Mungwe. As he and he's not who we thought he is. Now quite Zamogohle wants to call the police. But Mari, yay, don't you dare. Lizzie, please don't call the police. Limantuli, this guy want us not to call the police. Mantuli as a safa. Angasakhala uMantuli as they're traumatized. Now, but they're busy driving. Nkosi is driving behind this guy, trying to catch him. Now they're speeding. Committing. Nahana fela, but two athletes everywhere. Now they're speeding, committing. And Llewellyn wants to shoot, but Nkosi is like, nope, don't do that. I want to show we're safe. Now this guy is frustrated. What's happening? Who are these people that are driving? Abasixoshisayo. Abobani labantu. Sposiso says that. Shonga says that he doesn't know. And then they called Ubabeyile, despite that guy saying they must not say they must not call the police or describe him. They called Ubabeyile, explained the story to him. Mantula showed, I put my family's life in danger because I invited a man whom I did not even know to come and live with us. And this man is not who we thought he was. Glenda also explained her side of the story. Now Babele is mad that Musmutoma Alfred Mahonga Utenshe Mapila Bana at risk because this same man is a choir master Kotef High who was supposed to take the kids to Johannesburg. Now Tawela has even saying that maybe he wanted to traffic the kids. Now it's a personal matter because Ubele go like Kokotsi. And then they drive. While they're speeding, they get to a place where the road is blocked because there are some cars. It's like there was an accident. The community is flocked there, so they cannot pass. He stops the car, got Spuso out of the car, and held him in front of the car with a gun on him, so that Unkosi and his security guard, they don't do anything because they don't want to hurt Uspusis. He used him as a shield to run away. And Unkosi made it clear, you better not shoot unless you see a target because I don't want anything happening to Ushong. Now, the gunshots in the everywhere now they're starting to shoot and Charles, because now they're close to Lubengele la Charles Kunut. They're even calling the police. What's going on? Because people are now running. So Nkosi no Llewellyn, they forgot their vest in the car. They are causing this thing to protect their chest when they get shot. Ushonga can now see ukuthi umzala wami lo athi hey umzala wami isigora uzokubulala is stronger. Now uyabona ukuthi uButkosi lo hey this thing made Amandla mad ukuthi you saying ukuthi your cousin is stronger than me. Do you know me when Then he starts apologizing because you can see ukuthi Amandla is getting frustrated and inkabi, so like his reputation depends on it. Unkosi made it clear to Llewellyn ukuthi hey you don't shoot, I don't want anything happening to Shongwe. I want to show safe and sound. And then at Tuto Mzala Wakone, now they're starting to hunt, they want to shoot this guy, but they need to make sure Shongo does not get hurt. So they try and see, because now they're hiding and they're in some scrapyard. And Llewellyn stood up to try and shoot Ugu Amandla, only for Amandla to shoot at Llewellyn. Gone on the floor, and Usowile Wanju Llewellyn, he got him. I think he shot somewhere in the heart. Now Nkosi is like, oh my word, Llewellyn, are you okay? Llewellyn is like, no harm, but this iparleng tolile, but please go get your cousin, go get umzala wako, and please get this bastard don't to bleed. But you can see, because Llewellyn is hurt. He was shot on the right hand, not on the heart actually, and on the chest. And then now Nkosi tries to negotiate because hey man, I'm full lutho, man, I don't want you. Angifuna lo muntu onaye. And then Lehasa talks to Kwezi because Kwezi is at Level Cafe because I've been trying to reach Mantuli just to warn her about Shonga, but I can't reach her. Kwezi says I'll ask Nkosi when I speak to him because Agapendul Manje has not come back to me. Now Lehasa starting to worry. Phones will preach. Ati, do you know this man that's staying at your house? Ati, yeah, they said he's a teacher, Kotef High. And then he shows Clement the picture. Clement is like, yeah, this guy is Musokulu, Unna Komantulu. Lehasa was like, no man, this is not supposed to be I was in prison with him. Shoguti, he's lying, man. I need to go to Teflop to save Umantu. Lehasa went all the way to Teflop to save Umama Zarawake, because you can see Mantuli is in trouble. So they decide to go to Tefke. Clement says he's going to go with him, and they're going to go fetch Pritko so they can go with him. Come on, they're shooting hobbies kwa script ya thing. Because is trying to negotiate. I want nothing to do with you. I don't want anything. I just want the person that you are with. It doesn't have to get ugly. Kosi then stood up because this guy said there will be no negotiating. I'm not going to do anything with you. I'm not going to hand over Shongo to you. Next thing Nkosi was shot on the chest now. Amandla shy isbhamu. You can just see what's failing and Bella and Kabi. Hey? Now Nkosi is on the floor also, no Llewellyn. So 2 dead men on the floor. Or critical, whatever. I don't know if they're still alive or kanjani, but can they not kill Nkosi Shem, please, hey? Kwezi has been through so much, and Nkosi has been like his pillar. So if Nkosi dies, then Kwezi will be in trouble, because she'd just be left all alone. Now, Lord, you said Umzala waku is gaca, but look at him now. And he keeps sucking on this thing, like I don't know if Umutu or what. Shongo was like, why? What did you do to him? Now it's your turn. Now Amanda wants to shoot Ushong, only to realize that he is run out of bullets. He could not believe it. The next thing he tries to shoot again, bullets are gone. And then now the police sirens, Guzma police are onto him. He said, yes, and you need to thank your ancestors, bullets are pelili, because Amanda wanted to finish off Ushong. Kanjani, because Ushong is not the Spusokulu Pavarotti that he wants. Why is he still killing him? Ushonga was crying when he realized Nkosi is on the ground and might possibly die. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.